Are you about to break some news on here, Jamie?
Working with our other partnering associations in the state to say, what do we need to do? How can we work together better as a state to help these manufacturers? We don't want people to leave, and we want to encourage more people to come to the state of Connecticut and invest in the state of Connecticut because of our quality of our workforce in the state of Connecticut. So we need to continue to invest in education. We need to let others know, and not just others throughout the country, but others throughout the world. I think, and I look at the fact that we have a lot of European companies here in Connecticut, and I think we have the opportunity to attract more European.
Italy, England, Germany, Swiss, Israel, Switzerland. Yeah, I mean, all over. It's a United Nations of manufacturing companies.
Absolutely. And I don't think we take enough advantage of that, and I think there's a lot more opportunity out there.
And what do you think we should be doing to make that happen? I mean, look, a lot of it, right? Probably communication. What do you think? I mean, how do we get out there? How do we tell the story better or more effectively?
That's why we're working together through the CMC, the Connecticut Manufacturing Collaborative, so we can help the state of Connecticut best direct what they're going to do. We've been pushing for the manufacturing czar position, somebody in the state of Connecticut that's the manufacturing go-to person in state government. Something like that will be extremely helpful, and hoping that will be announced momentarily.
They have a person or the position?
The person. Yes,
wow.
Absolutely.
Are you about to break some news on here, Jamie? Do you know who that person is? I'm not even in news, but now I feel like I might have a scoop right now. Jamie, this might be the viral episode we've been looking for.
Yeah, I've heard that there's a person has been picked this week. So it's going to be huge.
Do you know who that person is?
No, I don't. No, I wish I knew. Trust me.
All right. I might ask 2 more times before the episode's over, in case it might just slip out. But yeah.
No, but it's something that came through the group of manufacturing associations through the CMC. It was our collective effort that led to this position being created, which is huge. And have that representation. The federal government's looking at something like that. Other states do not have something like that.